नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते राधानाथ नामिनी। नमो विष्णुपदाय कृष्णपृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमती भक्तिवेदांत स्वामिनिति नमामि। नमस्ते सरस्वती देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देश तारिणी। शिला प्रभुपाद की जय। आई एम ऑडिबल? Okay, so thank you very much for giving this opportunity. I think I should speak in Hindi. Anything? Huh? ओके, आई विल ट्राई इन हिंदी। सो बेसिकली ये सब स्टार्ट हुआ 2006 में, व्हेन आई वाज फाइनल ईयर इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट। एंड वन फाइन डे, दिस वाज जस्ट ड्यूरिंग द वीक ऑफ नवरात्रि, my friend call. So there was good amount of preaching going in Borivali West or in Gorai beach of some Kashmiri boys. And there was our school Gopal Garden next to our Mahavan base. And there was one program, Govind Prabhu was coming. Govind Prabhu was coming, and the lecture was, I still remember, East versus West, who is the best. And that was my, huh? No, that was in our Gopal Garden. Then that was the first lecture I attended, and it was at that time we have every Wednesday lecture. And I do not know who was the speaker exactly that time, and that the one person came, he was in saffron, and he speaks something about East and West, and he spoke about Shivaji Maharaj, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Maharana Pratap, everything he spoke, and he went, and there was kirtan for half an hour, and everyone was dancing. So that was my first experience of ISKCON. Then I say that my Kashmiri friend told me that this is a program I usually attend. And during my engineering, all the Kashmiris from wherever the college, they were my friend because my best friend was Kashmiri Pandit, and because of that, all Kashmiri friend was my friend, and they used to come for some satsang program. So I asked Praveen Jangir, that is Purushottam Marari, that this program is going on, you should come. And also Raghunath Vijay Prabhu बोलते program अच्छा है, आपको आना है. So next day we 30-40 boys came to the program. And when I realized after many years, I found that that was a golden period of, I think, I was preaching. Because one day Govind Prabhu came, another day Gaurang Prabhu came, then Shamanand Prabhu came, then our 3-4 Devamrit Maharaj came, one more sannyasi came, Kadam Kanam Swami Maharaj, and 3-4 months there it was just like I thought every week some new speaker came, and Brajbhai Prabhu used to give introduction, so I thought he is the person who is arranging the thing. And then our exam came, and we stopped coming there. And when December we have this leave, and they called us that you have to do the course of journey of self discovery. So again we 10-12 student, we went, and then I came to know that Brajbhai Prabhu is the actual speaker. So till 6 months I was not knowing that he is the actual speaker, because every time new speaker used to come, and they used to, and there was full-fledged prasadam, kirtan going on, dancing kirtan going on, everything was excellent. Then we did JOSD, and then we started attending this weekly program. Every Wednesday we used to go Gopal Garden, we used to sit, we used to attend lecture, we used to come back to home. And then what happened in one fine, it was year pass on, and then come some, we attended some few yatra, Nasik vagara. Then come year 2010, and anyhow I was not able to fix myself in Krishna consciousness process. So 2010 yatra, there was one brahmachari Mukul Chaitanya Prabhu, and he was one of the most dynamic person I ever met in ISKCON. And he used to take care of all the boys in our Borivali base, Mavan base. So he took that it has been 3 to 4 years, and you are not committing to the ISKCON. You have to commit somewhere. So you have to come to Vraj Yatra. So next day to the Janmashtami, or yes, after Radhashtami, we have the train to go to Vrindavan. That was the first yatra that I have attended, major yatra, and from there my life changes, because from there I have taken commitment that I should chant 16 rounds regularly. So what happened on the so on the day of, obviously we have imperfect senses. So Purushottam Marari was arranging the ticket, and he has. I have seen the ticket on Wednesday program. It was written 17:15. Okay, so I read that 7:15. So I thought 7:15 शाम का ट्रेन है, we will go. तो at 5 o'clock I am receiving call for at 4:45. अरे where are you are not reached yet? बोलता भाई it is 7:15. No, I will reach on time. I will reach by 7. No, it is 5:15. So I just packed my bag. I was running like anything, and that all the traffic jam of evening, and I got stuck. And when I reached the station, the train was going. So and then Raghunath Vijay Prabhu, he was not going to yatra. He told me that he was there for arranging to ensure that devotee will sit and go. So he told me that अभी कैसे जाएगा, and that was we were hardly having some monies to, we were just earning not so much. तो he told me that इसके एक रात को आती है ट्रेन जो पंजाब मेल, you need to catch that and you will reach अगले next day evening. But one problem is that कि वहाँ पे सामान चोरी हो सकता है तुम्हारा. तो मतलब what to do, बोलते नहीं बीच में 1 घंटे बाद है ना, अभी अगस्त क्रांति आएगी, and अगस्त क्रांति में you need to go and try. तो बोले मैं I taken extra money from Raghunath Vijay, I kept in my pocket, and then TC came, and it was and I think he has one seat left, and बोरीवली में सब आए, सब लोग उसको घेर लिए. तो कोई बोल रहा है उस समय कुछ टिकट 1200 रुपये का टिकट था, कोई 1500 बोल रहा है, कोई 1600 बोल रहा है. मैंने पीछे बोला 2000. तो बोला यू कम. He told me you come because वहाँ पे 2 मिनट ही रुकते हैं ना, he cannot bargain so much, you come. So he took me in the train, and anyhow I reached Vrindavan, and everyone went to the venue, but Shyam Govind Prabhu was waiting for me. That was my first yatra. Then we went to, our first accommodation was on Govardhan, and if you not believe, that was the best experience I have for my yatra. But it was, with respect to accommodation, it was the worst. Modi Ashram, but I never feel that accommodation is worst. But आज तक मुझे उतना अच्छा फीलिंग आज तक नहीं आया जो मैंने उस समय मोदी आश्रम में. हम लोग we were around 150 to 200 devotees, and then we attended 3-day यात्रा. और जैसे व्रजभाई प्रभु आया, यानी उनको टेंशन आ गया कि ये सब बच्चे नए हैं and they will get pissed off in this accommodation. So he took first lecture on you need to be accommodative, you need to be वो सब पूरा मस्त लेक्चर दिया. Then we understand that no, 3-day we have to tolerate. But the first is we did Govardhan Parikrama. From there we go Barsana, we go Nandgaon, and it was good experience. And from there our commitment started toward the Krishna consciousness process. And it is not the 1 week lecture that keep us long in this process. Okay, in our IYS, okay, we have minimum 2 week lecture. Okay, and sometime Vrajbhai Prabhu used to come for 10 days in Borivali, and every day evening we used to come from office and we have 3 hours katha. So sometime he used to take Bhagavatam 5th canto, sometime he take for Bhagavatam 6th canto, and Sunday he used to call. So Sunday he used to call us temple, so we used to go attend Sunday Bhagavatam, then Sunday feast, and then he called for another lecture on CC and Sad Goswami of Vrindavan. So many lectures we are going to attend, and so many, all this process actually what, it is not only the prasad and everything will keep you high, but understanding the philosophy and understanding the philosophy from bona fide source will always help you to keep intact in this process. Then 2010 I attended Vrindavan Yatra. 2010-11 I was made in charge of Vrindavan Yatra. Then again commitment toward the ISKCON, commitment toward the society, it was more deeper in my heart. One fine day we were just sitting in the group in the base, and Prabhuji, we asked Prabhuji, इस बार आपको book distribution नहीं करना है क्या? So I asked Mukul Chandra Prabhu, बोलता हाँ करना है ना, you become the in charge now. So पुरुषोत्तम मरे से यहाँ पे नहीं बोलना रहता है, फंस जाएगा. तो मैं इंचार्ज बन गया, and The book distribution, okay, it was again one of the great turning point in my life. We used to, we used to do book distribution in the Borivali station. So every evening we used to carry, after my office, after our office, everyone come. Many brahmacharis. Now all my friends, they become, most of them become brahmacharis. Most of them become grahast. We were young that time. We used to come at the base. We used to take our table, platforms, everything, and we used to go to Borivali station. We used to put up stall. Okay, and every day 3 hours, 4 hour we used to do book distribution, and actually that book distribution help us. So in short, if you want to retain in Krishna consciousness, you have to do the seva, either in the form of book distribution, either in the form of yatra management, either in the form of cooking. Because if you see our base, the Mahavan base concept, or we can say the any base concept, it was not only the accommodation place, but it is a place where you will get trained. Okay, I get trained in many things in base, how to sell book to unknown people, because it was very difficult for me to talk to unknown people, but I have to sell the book to unknown. I have to convince, because sometimes people will convince, they will abuse you, they will do something, they will आपको इतना गाली देंगे कि आप क्या कृष्णा कृष्णा करते हैं उम्र में. दैट टाइम आवर एज वाज 21 22. ओके, आपको कर्म करना चाहिए. एवरी काइंड ऑफ पीपल विल कम. Sometimes they will come, they will appreciate you. Sometimes they will come, they will abuse you. Okay, but we were standing, and again, because of that standing, we were forming in Krishna consciousness. Then it was book distribution, yatra management, then any seva, and I think according to the nature, people will accommodate. I still remember our Vijay Prabhu. He become very good cook in base. Everyone know Vijay Prabhu. They have eaten there. I think everyone has taken his the halwa and kheer that he has cooked. So he become expert in cooking. Okay, I remember one more thing, that one day Prabhuji family went to some hometown, Prahlad Priya Prabhu, and he used to come to base. And every evening we used to come base. Prabhuji used to be there and he used to take prasad with us. So Prabhuji ने एक टेक्निक बताई थी हम लोग को, आज भी मेरे को याद है, and I still use. बोलते हैं, you have to do, अगर आप यात्रा नहीं जा रहे हो, घर पे बैठे हो, तो आपको ना मन में ना यात्रा करना चाहिए. Suppose you are standing at Radha Kund and you are moving from Radha Kund, and then there will be spot number 1, then come your spot number 2. You have to just remember thing. Okay, and that process and that idea still many time I use. प्रभु जी ने हमको उस समय बेस में बहुत सारी टेक्निक बताई कि ऐसा करो, एंड दैट वाज, हाँ, yes, Guru Parampara. It is coming from bona fide source. So it was from Guru Parampara. And then thing was going nice, and we were attending so many lectures, so many yatra. Okay, one fine day, Prabhuji tell that I want to be now do the family preaching. So again you have to call families for this satsang program, and then we started. Then Prabhuji says I will be not a counselor anymore, so you have to find some new counselor. So and again we were searching, and again the propensity to help other was there in our heart. So basically, and at that time we meet Madhvanand Prabhu, and because we were connected to Madhvanand Prabhu for 3 to 4 years, मतलब प्रभु जी आप ही हमको अभी संभाल सकते हैं, आप जानते हो हम लोग कैसे हैं. Because Prabhuji used to give some tasks in for socio-political work. You have to do this event, you have to do this, you have to do. So Prabhuji, yes, तुम लोगों को मैं ही झेल सकता हूँ, you come with me. And then Prabhuji guided us over the period of time. Okay, and this is how we fixed up in Krishna consciousness. Then also every Sunday when we used to go temple. Okay, every alternate Sunday I think Maharaj used to give lecture. And that time there was series was going on CC. So every Sunday we have lecture on CC by Radhanath Swami Maharaj. So many good, and then kirtan for long hour. And actually it was full fledged. It is not that we were just attending some because हम लोग स्टूडेंट थे ना, we were not having such good realization. Because realization कब मिलता है, when you actually go in the work field. तो आपको लेक्चर के थ्रू ही समझना पड़ता है कि दुनिया में कितना तकलीफ है, और कृष्णा कॉन्शियस प्रोसेस आपको कितना तकलीफों से बाहर निकाल सकता है. सो आई बेसिकली थैंकफुल टू महाराज. because of his kirtan, because of his lecture, and because of such wonderful disciple that he have made throughout the year. So many struggle Maharaj has done, because I think I am 2000, from 2006, now it is my 18th year in Krishna consciousness. So I know so many things, how Maharaj has struggled, how temple has struggled, and then also Maharaj also flourish, temple also flourish. We can see with the help of so many projects of Wada, because most of my friends who were actually brahmachari, they are now serving in Wada. Okay, and when they were going for brahmachari training, then we have this send-off party where Vrajya Prabhu was sitting. I am talking about 2010. This Manish Madhwani Prabhu, Manish Goyal Prabhu, Madhusudan Prabhu, these 4-5 devotees were basically going for VTA training. So basically everyone was sharing the realization. So one point I like very much, and that I correlated with Maharaj lecture. Maharaj says that in one lecture that you have to preach, and when necessary you need to speak. So Maharaj was saying that it is not necessary that you need to be on Vyasasana to preach. So how I connected basically that Manish Madhwani Prabhu, that is Madhu Madhav Prabhu, was saying that how you connected to Krishna consciousness, because I used to come in program, because on same time I and Manish, all this Manish Prabhu and Madhusudan Prabhu, this time joined same time. So he said that this Prabhuji, Vikrant Khanna Prabhu, he used to serve prasad and he was always blissful. तो मैं सोचा कि अरे हम इतने साल से आ रहे हैं, इतना लेक्चर हो रहा था, इतना कथा हो रहा था, इतना डांस हो रहा था, और प्रभु जी को इनका सेल्फलेस सर्विस दिखा. So then I correlated with Maharaj's statement that you need to preach, and whenever necessary you need to speak. So not necessary by speaking also, not necessary only by speaking, but by the behavior, by the attitude, you can convert into devotee. And that devotee, brahmachari devotee, is now serving in our temple for last 14 years in Wada. Yeah, Madhu Madhav and Madhu Gaur. I am talking about Madhu Gaur Prabhu. So we were actually same batch pass out, and they all came from different places, and they were working in Mumbai. So they were leaving our Mahavan base. So many preaching was going on, and I can definitely say that when I entered in ISKCON, okay, that was one of the golden period of ISKCON. अगर वो प्रभुपाद ने बोला, मतलब चैतन्य महाप्रभु ने बोला कि ना 500 year is the golden period. Okay, so I can definitely say that 2006 to 2010 was definitely the core of that golden period, because so many people were joining different, because ways, and the yatra was 100 people. I was, because see, at the age of 21 and 22, joining such movement and committing for ISKCON or any sort of organization is very difficult. Because before joining ISKCON also, I have tried some other organization, but it was not satisfied to my heart. Okay, but the day one of ISKCON, and Govind Prabhu gave that lecture, and I committed कि भाई अब कहीं नहीं जाना है, अब किसी और चीज़ को ट्राई नहीं करना है. This is the best source. Okay, I am grateful to Brajvaya Prabhu, Mukul Chaitanya Prabhu, Madhvanand Prabhu for their constant guidance and support throughout our life. And so many counselor and mentor I meet, Prahlad Priya Prabhu I meet, Anandinda Prabhu we meet. Okay, they used to guide us according to the capacity, according to the time, but it was wonderful experience. And this is how, okay, there was, I think I can actually agree that there was many situation that we decided that अभी ISKCON बहुत हो गया, लेकिन कुछ ना कुछ हमको वेडनेसडे प्रोग्राम में खींच के लाता था. कुछ ना कुछ वो वेडनेसडे प्रोग्राम में, वो क्या था, खिचड़ी था, वो हलवा था, वो प्रभु जी का लेक्चर था, आई डोंट नो, वो कीर्तन था, बट वो हम लोग डिसाइड करते थे कि अब नहीं जाना है, बट अगले वीक हम आ जाते थे. एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड दैट आफ्टर देन वी हम लोग जब हफ्ते में एक बार आते थे, फिर ऐसा दिन होगा कि हम हफ्ते में 5 दिन बेस में रहते थे. मतलब मॉर्निंग को 6 बजे आते थे, देन वी यूज्ड टू गो टू ऑफिस, शाम को घर पे बैग रखते थे, नहा धो के वापस बेस में आते थे हम लोग. When used to do night dinner together, all the devotees, night prasad we used to take. Okay, we used to discuss, might be prajalpa, but it was creating bonding. Sometime it might be Krishna Katha, sometime, because sometime when Madhu Gaur Prabhu is there, so we have to, obviously we used to do Krishna Katha. That was no option. But sometime when he's not there, we used to do some sort of Prajalpa. And of course, Pitama Gaurang Prabhu was there. He was such a gem kind of devotee. Okay, so sincere, so dedicated, because he used to use car for many kind of sevas. Okay, I think Prabhuji was there when he was doing that Prabodhan Thakre program. He was there, no? I think no, he was not there. I think, but one thing I remember that every Tuesday we used to get call that Wednesday you have to come. Okay, and for Prabodhan Thakre they was given to you, so हमको एक क्या नाम है स्लिप दिया था, बोला स्लिप लो और जाओ रास्ते में और सबको बांटो. एंड आई वाज बाय द टाइम आई वाज प्रोफेसर इन इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, तो मेरे पे बहुत बड़ा प्रेशर था यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम कराने का, ये कराने का. तो आई यूज्ड टू डू, आई यूज्ड टू सेल द पैम्पलेट, टेल द मतलब गिव पैम्पलेट टू स्टूडेंट. I have to man, and out of that this Vijay Prabhu and Mohit Prabhu, they got fixed up from that program. So many things is that, but you have to what was my learning throughout this 18 year was the lecture, the personal care. Okay, when I say personal care, Mukul Chandra Prabhu was just like our mother. If anyone know Mukul Chandra Prabhu, he is very dynamic. And currently if you go to Remuna it is a small village. एंड नाउ इन दैट, एक्चुअली वो गांव है, उस गांव में कोई, अगर आप देखोगे वहाँ पे क्या हमारे क्या नाम है किरचोर गोपीनाथ है और हमारे कुछ सन्यासियों की समाधि है, और वहाँ पे प्रभु जी ने इस्कॉन खड़ा किया प्रीचिंग कर करके. एंड इज वेरी डायनेमिक. आप मतलब वी वर एक्चुअली डाई हाउट फैन, जस्ट लाइक एवरी चाइल्ड इज क्लोज टू हिज मदर इन इस्कॉन. एज ए बोरीवली person, we were very close to Mukul Chandra Prabhu, because he really given his time, energy, everything to all the boys who were coming. And he used to stay on the base 3 days sometime. Wednesday used to come and Saturday used to go back to temple. Sometime Thursday used to go, Saturday used to come back. Okay, and so many program, so many lectures, so many dedication, and also whatever you like is fulfilled, because Krishna says na, whatever you lack I will give. So when engineer, when I was post joining ISKCON, my desire was to do some social political work. And when I came to ISKCON, मैं बोला कि अभी तो हो नहीं पाएगा, but Krishna arranges, and I did so many social political work under the guidance of Madhvanand Prabhu. So basically, I am very grateful to all the Vaishnavas. Maharaj is actually very merciful, and because of this everything is flourishing. Okay, special thank to Prabhupada. अगर प्रभुपाद नहीं होते तो हम आज यहाँ पे नहीं होते. और अभी हम देखेंगे कि there is Prabhupada. I end with this small point. Okay. In 1945-46 there was formation of United Nations, I think. So one devotee was telling that United Nation के नाम पे क्या हो रहा है, खाली झंडे लगे हुए हैं कि ये कंट्री यूनाइटेड नेशन में आ गया, ये कंट्री यूनाइटेड नेशन में, but they are fighting. But Prabhupada created United Nation, okay, where in Mangal Aarti at 4:30 p.m. in Vrindavan, 4:30 a.m. in Vrindavan, 4:30 a.m. in Mayapur. People from all over the world are coming and they are dancing and happily dancing, and that is actual United Nation. So Prabhupada has created a world which is known as actual United Nation. Other United Nation is actually fake. They are divided nation by the name of United. So thank you very much. So this was my realization. Thank you.